Okay, guys, Assalamualaikum. Good afternoon. Thank you for joining my class. Uh, so today kita akan sambung our lesson, but before we do that, I would like to discuss our last quiz tutorial, which is on chapter 3, gases. Okay, so there are two quiz tutorials. One is for unit conversion. You need to do that first, and then the gases quiz tutorial. Okay, so the link for your attendance, I will be sharing that later. And if for any of you guys yang cannot attend, cannot join this online class, I'll be sharing this video. I'm recording this video, so I'll be sharing the video on my my Instagram page, so you can watch the IGTV. Later also, I'll be sharing the link for that Instagram account if you haven't, if you never been to the account yet. Okay, so let's get to it. Wait, first, let me find where's the. Okay, so for unit conversion, this assessment, uh, uh, it's not an assessment. Betul lah assessment lah. It's an assessment tool so that you know how to convert units, because in calculations in chemistry you'll be converting units from meters to millimeters, from moles to millimoles, and vice versa, and so on. So these are the basics unit conversions that we will be dealing with. Okay, so for example, in question number 1, convert the following measurement into meter. So 280 centimeter, you need to convert to meter. In order to convert that to meter, you must know 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. So the answer is C, 2.8. So you divide 280 centimeter by 100. So you get 2.8 meters. Okay, so you'll be surprised. Some people don't know that, so I want to include that. Okay, I start from the basics and I build the level, the difficulty level, from question number 1 to question number 10. Question number 2, convert the following measurement. 2 meter, 56,100 millimeter. So the answer is B. Okay, 56.1 meter. Next question, question number 3, convert the following measurement into milliliter. 0.75 liters. So you must know 1 liter equals to 1,000 milliliter. So you just multiply 0.75 liters with 1,000, so you will get 750 milliliters. So I've included the the conversion in the feedback box. So if you finish the answering the quiz and you click on the link of the results, and you will see this feedback box down here. So your answer is correct. It says 1 liter equals to 1,000 milliliters. So the correct answer is 750. So if you answer wrong, you will know the right answer. So then if you're not satisfied with your marks, you could do a second attempt. Okay, you could redo the quiz and get the right answer. Next question, convert the following measurements into milliliter. So 0.5 decimeter cubic. So decimeter cubic is the unit here, convert it into milliliter. So you have to know 1 decimeter cubic equals to 1,000 milliliter. So basically dm cubic here, decimeter cubic, equals to liter. So 1 dm cubic equals to 1 liter, because 1 liter also equals to 1,000 milliliter. So you just multiply 0.5 decimeter cubic with 1,000 and you'll get the right answer, 500 milliliters. Next question, which is greater, 45 kilograms or 4,500 grams? So you just convert one of these so that both of them have the same unit. Okay, that's the first step of solving this problem. Both of them must have the same unit in order for you to compare which is greater. So you just pick lah which one you want to convert, kilogram to gram or grams to kilogram. So just remember 1 kilogram equals to 1000 gram. So kalau saya pilih 4500 ni convert to kilograms, I divide this by 1000, I will get 4.5 kilo. So the correct answer is 45 kilograms. 45 is larger, is greater than 4.5. So the answer is A. Question number 6, which is greater? So the same template, the same type of question, you need to convert one of them so that both of them will have the same unit. So if you convert meters to kilometers, you divide this by 1000 because 1 meter equals to, 1 kilometers equals to 1000 meters. Okay, remember kilo in scientific notation, it means 10 to the power of 3, 10 kuasa 3. So 10 kuasa 3 means 1000. So that's why you need to divide by 1000. So 630,000 ni divide by 1000, you will get 630 kilometer. So therefore, B is the right answer. Next question, question number 7. Convert 0 degrees Celsius to Kelvin. So this is probably new to you because most of you are not from the science stream when you were taking your SPM. So remember when you want to convert Celsius to Kelvin, remember 0 degrees Celsius equals to 273 Kelvin. So for example, here if you have 0 degrees Celsius, you want to convert that to Kelvin, you take 0 from the 0 degrees Celsius, you plus 273 Kelvin. So the answer is 273 Kelvin. For example, I give you another example. Katakanlah you need to convert 10 degrees Celsius to Kelvin. So you take 10, you plus 273. So the right answer, the final answer is 283 Kelvin. So 10 degrees Celsius equals to 283 Kelvin. Okay, if you want to convert Celsius to Kelvin, you just plus 273 to the number, to the degree Celsius value. Next question, convert Kelvin to Celsius. Okay, 186.5 Kelvin to Celsius. So in order to convert Kelvin to Celsius, you need to just do the opposite. If you want to convert Celsius to Kelvin, you plus 273. If you want to convert the other way around, you just minus 273. So the right answer is negative 86.65 degrees Celsius. Okay, it's straightforward. Okay, you make sure you need to know this conversion because in chemistry, the unit that we will be using for calculations for temperature is Kelvin. So that is why it is important for you to know how to convert from Celsius to Kelvin because all the measurements, the tools untuk measure temperature in labs or whatever, in hospitals and clinics, all measure in Celsius. Okay, tapi if you want to do calculations, the values that we use in calculations in chemistry, you need to convert the Celsius to Kelvin. Next is about pressure because we are observing gases behavior and gases exert pressure. So we must know the calculations, the units that involves in calculating pressure. So for example, here you need to convert atmospheric pressure, ATM to kilopascal. So 10 ATM to kilopascal, remember you must know that 1 ATM, 1 atmospheric pressure equals to 101.325 kilopascal. So if you have 10 ATM, you just take 101.325, multiply that with 10. So the right answer is 1013.25 kilopascal. So remember, you can check the info, the tip in your feedback box dekat bawah ni. Question number 10, convert 0.75 ATM to kilopascal. So the same as above, the same as question number 9. Remember, 1 ATM equals to 101.325 kilopascal. So kalau you ada 0.75, you multiply 0.75 with 101.325. So the right answer is 75.99 kilopascal. And that brings us to our last question for this unit conversion quiz tutorial. Convert 560 kilopascal to ATM. So this is the other way around. So kalau you nak convert ATM to kilopascal, you need to multiply with 101.325. If you want to convert from kilopascal to ATM, you just need to divide with 101.325. Okay, so 560 ni, divide that with 101.325. So the right answer is 5.53 ATM. Okay, so that's it. Make sure you know all the conversion units. 1 meter sama dengan berapa kilometer, how to convert Celsius to Kelvin, 0 degree Celsius equals to 273 Kelvins, 1 ATM equals to 101.325 kilopascal. All those values ada dalam feedback box. So that's why it is important for you to do all this quiz. Sometimes you miss these details out, yang ada dalam lecture notes, dalam video yang saya attach dalam LMS. So kalau nak make sure you understand or you know the value, the details, you do the quiz. Okay, saya dah attach. So ada apa nama? If you solve the problem, if you want to solve the problem, you have to know these values, you have to know these details. So that's why saya implore semua orang buat, because saya tengok sini baru ada 16 attempts. So 16 attempts, itu pun ada some students yang buat 2 kali. So less than 16 from this 53 students baru buat this quiz. So I hope by discussing this, kamu semua boleh score lah with 1 attempt only. Okay, so we'll finish it with unit conversion. Take 5, saya dah tekak kering dah. Later kita akan sambung discuss gases. So saya pinjam submission from Alia, because the score full marks 100%. So take 5 sekejap, saya nak pergi minum air. See you in a bit.